95% of your diet fails. Do you know why? These diets generally give you a short-term success, but it's always followed by a rebound effect, and people tend to see the benefit reversing in a while. So, before dieting, please follow these following 4 steps. Always consult a healthcare professional and have a balanced diet which has full of nutrition with fruits, vegetables, lean meat and whole grain. And manage your stress well. It is easy said and done, but still, the only thing that I would request you, reach out to an expert when you are in need. And last but not the least, your physical activity and exercise plays a very important role, and make sure it becomes a very important habit on your daily routine. Do remember guys, it's not always about the quick fix. Rather, embrace yourself with a healthier and a sustainable lifestyle for a long term. For more updates and tips, please do follow us at Star Health.